Hi guys, if you have enabled the TalkBack feature on your Samsung Galaxy M35 like this,
Home button. Double tap to activate. Recents button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
but now if you are feeling annoyed and want to disable this TalkBack feature on your Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. Before moving forward, you should know that if you want to access your smartphone with the TalkBack feature, then you have to do one tap for the selection and double tap for enable or disable or opening anything. So now let's see how to turn off this feature. So first of all, go to settings, tap and then double tap to open it. Now here scroll down. To scroll down, you have to use two fingers. Now here tap on the accessibility and then double tap on it. Now here you will see the option TalkBack. First select it and double tap on it to open it. Now here you will see the on option. Simply tap on it and now double tap on it to turn it off. Now here you have to confirm, so simply tap on it and then double tap on it to turn it off.
TalkBack off.
Now you can see TalkBack has been disabled and now you can use your smartphone like you normally do. You can see, let's go back. You can now use the smartphone in the normal way. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.